Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp voice messages problem. So first of all, you need to close off your WhatsApp like this and then go and open up your settings and you need to scroll down and go for this apps, then manage apps, and now you have to find the WhatsApp app, tap on it, and now I'm just going for this app permissions and you have to find this microphone and you just have to make sure that you have allow the microphone permission. Mine is allow already, so make sure your is as well. The next thing I recommend you doing is making sure you are not connected to any Bluetooth devices, as that may be causing some sort of problem with voice messages sending. So what you can do is just go into your Bluetooth and just switch off your Bluetooth just like so, to go and see if that makes any difference or not. It's worth turning Bluetooth off just because sometimes your phone might be trying to use a Bluetooth microphone or something like that. It's just worth turning it off. The next fix is primarily for iOS users, but it will also apply on Android and other devices as well, and that's just to check your parental controls. Even if you think you haven't changed these, I recommend checking these. So open up your settings again. So for this, just go for this privacy protection, and now you can see this sensitive actions option. Now what you need to do is make sure microphone is set to allow under privacy. As you can see, here is WhatsApp, just tap on it and you can see it's allow. So turning off content privacy and restriction just while you go and fix your WhatsApp voice message is not working. Now the next thing I recommend doing is making sure you are not using your mic at the same time. For example, I know some people may be on like a call and then they want to go and send a voice message at the same time, and some people have experienced it just doesn't work on certain types of devices. So make sure you are only using them right phone for one thing at a time. For example, if you are in a call with somebody, then what I recommend doing is ending that call and then try sending the voice message and go and see if that fixes the problem. And just to make sure that your microphone isn't being used by the other applications, what we're doing is closing your active apps. So you can do this on pretty much all types of devices. What you need to do is go and open up your app manager. To do this on an iOS devices, you sort of swipe from the bottom and you can then go and see what apps currently open, and what I recommend doing is swiping it like this and closing them all like this and make sure they are all closed. I'm actually going to close WhatsApp as well by swiping up on it. And then another fix I recommend doing this as just go and restart your device, because this is going to refresh everything, so it's definitely worth doing. So just restart your phone and hopefully these solutions will fix your problem. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.